Isa ko, ikaw. Sige, isa. Ako.
Buwak na sa bukol. Natatantay.
Oh, isa. Sige, go. Ay! Sorry, o yun.
Ginasalok lang nila ang lubot. Ay! Naka-experience ba ng isa kadayan?
Yeah, we're trying to throw a 5 peso coin. We're going to get it over the water, inside, underwater. Okay. Sige daw ba, wave daw, may ana daw mo. Yes! Good. Ayun. God, look, no? Kuha niya?